car is a lot more lively in the back now.
Yeah.
Yeah, 110 degrees on the tires. By a set of Corsa standards, that would be already just like undrivable and straight in the wall. But we managed. Good morning, comrades. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Nürburgring. Welcome to a video where we're going to be doing a lap in this wonderful BMW M3, the new one, rear-wheel drive, pedal shift. We already had the opportunity to drive the BMW car, the actual press car, 2-3 months ago by now, which was a manual, and I said the driving dynamics were great and manual was also good, but I was very excited for pedal shifts, and luckily today, thanks to this fella, Vlad, the owner of this car, he DM'd me and said, I'm coming to the Nürburgring, would you like to do a lap? I mean, I guess it requires no explanation what I said to him. So, quick look on the outside, on the exterior, because that might be interesting, just like any other M3, M4. Actually, when it's black, it's not that bad. And this one has the normal steel brakes, stock brakes, running Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, 275, 35/19. On the back, I think we're running the 20-inch, at least that was on the M4, 285, 30/20, yeah, so slightly bigger. And a carbon fiber ducktail. Yeah, that's all I want to say. Enjoy the lap. Oh, dude. Yes. You can definitely feel it.
Yeah.
But also less weight on the rear axle. It's moving for an MX-5. Wow. how the car is a lot more lively in the back now.
Yeah.
You can really feel the...
It wants to.
Yeah. Now I can believe that it's a real drive.
Yeah.
Oh, I totally forget we have a speed limit here. La 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 la. Yeah, seems fine. Can actually get off now, but not get back on, which is silly. Yeah. Colorado. Picture.
Yeah.
I hope so.
Hold back just.
Are getting hot, close to 3 bar again.
Why is that? Is that because they are too bad, or
Sorry?
is that because the tires are actually too bad for the ring?
No, it's just because we started with average pressure and now we're going out, now we're making them hot again, so you just need to drop them and go out again. With a bit of traffic, too bad. Nice.
That was a fun run.
Yeah. it was cool. It was really cool. Yeah, thank you so much for allowing me to have fun twice.
No problem.
The thing is it still recording? Actually, yeah, it was. Okay. The thing is, we actually did a lap already just to get used to it, because I had to also do something with the cameras. The cameras was charging, that was it. And we did a lap with 4 people actually in the car, so that's what we were saying, that you actually do feel a lot of difference when there is no one in the back. The real axle gets so much more lively, and it's a good thing, because the actual weight distribution actually is good, and you notice every single thing. Well, by now we're talking probably like 150-ish kilos with your 2 friends in the back. But yeah, but the car is so controllable. That's wow. And actually the thing is, too bad we did not record the first lap, because the funniest thing was Vlad, the owner of the car, he said like, oh yeah, I ordered the X-Drive. I'm like, why order the X-Drive? Is this rear-wheel drive? Yeah, like, I would have otherwise not have driven this fast. Because I was thinking the first lap, all-wheel drive, no, floor it, the car goes sideways, keep it flat. And like, yeah. And that's why I always remember to record everything, because also for insurance reasons, of course, but in this case for content reasons, because that was also a very lively lap and also less traffic. But in this case, we could still see how good the car is. Yeah, so thanks again, and come back with your X-Drive next time.
I will, definitely.
And I'll definitely take your invitation to Norway, because I'm very excited to see some maybe northern lights.
Yes.
Yeah, cool. We'll try to do that. Norwegian content incoming, and lots of smoked fish, right?
Of course, every time.
Cool. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope the camera angle was good, and yeah, hope the driving wasn't too bad either. But yeah, as mentioned, we are on PS4 SS, and the tires are close to 3 bars or over the 3 bars, so it's to an extent like driving on wood, but still, again, very controllable. I said it before already when I drove the manual car, the manual M4. This is an M3, but potato. BMW did a tremendous job when it comes to vehicle dynamics engineering, and I will still say it, a horrible job when it comes to front design. But I mean, in this case, we don't have to look at it, because sometimes it will show the car here and you will still have to look at it. But no, it's great. And this car is luckily is black, right?
Yeah.
Or yeah, so it doesn't, it's not that obvious. But as mentioned, wow. And yeah, when this drivetrain comes in the new M2 is actually quite okay in terms of styling. So yeah, it could be an affordable dream car, I would say. And then when it comes to vehicle dynamics, enough talking. We're gonna go, and I don't know what we're gonna do, but I wish you a great day. Thanks for watching, and see you next time, most likely on the Nürburgring or in Norway.
Yes.